Over 60? Eat these 3 cheap high-protein foods to build muscle fast. Imagine this for a moment. You're over 60, and every year you feel your strength slipping just a little bit more. Simple things, like carrying groceries, climbing stairs, or even getting out of a chair, suddenly feel heavier than they used to. But what if I told you it doesn't have to be this way? What if there are simple, affordable foods sitting right in your kitchen that could actually reverse muscle loss, rebuild your strength, and give you the energy to feel younger, longer? In today's video, we're diving into exactly that. And here's the best part. Every piece of information you'll hear has been carefully fact-checked by health researchers. So you know this isn't guesswork or internet rumors. This is real, science-backed nutrition that can change the way your body feels after 60. Now here's something you don't want to miss. Later in this video, I'll share a surprising tip about one food that most people think is unhealthy. But when eaten the right way, it can actually fuel your muscles and protect your heart at the same time. Stay with me, because that one secret alone could completely shift how you look at your daily meals. Number 1. Canned tuna or sardines. Let's talk about one of the simplest, most powerful, and budget-friendly protein sources that many people over 60 often overlook: canned tuna or sardines. Now I know what you might be thinking. Really? Just those little tins of fish? But trust me, these are not just quick pantry items. They're absolute muscle-building powerhouses, especially for seniors who want to keep their strength, protect their bones, and stay active well into their golden years. Here's why they're such a game changer. First, canned tuna and sardines are loaded with lean, high-quality protein. And if you're over 60, protein is your body's best friend. You see, as we age, we naturally lose muscle mass. That's something doctors call sarcopenia. It can make everyday things, like climbing stairs, getting out of a chair, or carrying groceries, feel harder than they used to. The good news? Adding protein-rich foods, like tuna and sardines, to your meals gives your muscles exactly what they need to stay strong and rebuild after activity. What I love most about these two is how convenient they are. You don't need to cook, chop, or season them much. Just open the can, and you've got instant nutrition. Whether it's flaking tuna into a salad or spreading sardines on a piece of whole-grain toast, you're feeding your body strength without spending hours in the kitchen. For seniors who may not want to fuss with complicated recipes, this is a huge plus. And here's something even more important. Sardines especially are packed with omega-3 fatty acids. Think of omega-3s as your body's natural lubricant. They keep your joints flexible, protect your heart, and even support brain health. If you've ever worried about stiffness, joint pain, or memory lapses, omega-3s are like gentle healers working in the background. Tuna has omega-3s too, but sardines are especially rich in them. Now let's not forget about bones. Did you know sardines, when eaten with their tiny soft bones, are one of the richest sources of calcium you can find? That's right, calcium for stronger bones and protein for stronger muscles, all in one small can. This is especially valuable for seniors because bone density naturally decreases with age. So in a way, eating sardines is like giving your muscles and bones a double shield of protection. And here's another bonus. They're very affordable. Compared to expensive protein powders, steaks, or even fancy supplements, a can of sardines or tuna costs just a fraction, but delivers just as much, if not more, benefit. For seniors living on a budget, this is one of the smartest food investments you can make for your health. Some people avoid canned fish because they think it's too fishy or maybe a bit boring. But let me encourage you, don't underestimate how versatile they are. Mix tuna with a little Greek yogurt and herbs for a creamy, healthy spread. Toss sardines into a pasta dish with olive oil and garlic, and you've suddenly turned a humble can into a gourmet muscle-building dinner. The options are endless, and you don't need to be a chef to enjoy them. One question that often comes up is, but what about the mercury in tuna? That's a fair concern. The trick is moderation. Go for light tuna instead of albacore, and try to rotate between tuna and sardines. Sardines are very low in mercury, so they're one of the safest seafood choices you can make. That way, you get the benefits without the worry. Here's something motivating to remember. Every time you add tuna or sardines to your meal, you're not just eating, you're investing in your independence. You're giving your body the building blocks it needs to keep you walking confidently, lifting with ease, and enjoying life without feeling frail. It's about staying strong, not just surviving, but thriving. So the next time you're at the store, don't just walk past that canned fish aisle. Grab a few tins of tuna or sardines, because inside those simple cans lies one of the most powerful tools for seniors over 60 who want to build muscle, protect their bones, and stay active. It's simple, it's affordable, and it's exactly what your body needs right now. Number 2. Lentils and beans. Let's shine a light on one of the most underrated yet incredibly powerful foods for building muscle after 60. Lentils and beans. Now, if you grew up eating beans and lentils, you probably think of them as just simple, filling foods. But what if I told you they're actually some of the most affordable and effective ways to give your body the strength, energy, and muscle protection it needs as you age? That's right. These humble little legumes are true nutritional goldmines. Here's why they're so special. Lentils and beans are packed with plant-based protein, and protein is the #1 ingredient your body craves to build and repair muscle. The amazing thing is, unlike many animal-based proteins, lentils and beans don't come with extra cholesterol or heavy saturated fat. Instead, they deliver lean, clean fuel for your body. And when you're over 60, eating lighter but still nourishing foods can help your body stay energized without weighing you down. But here's the part that surprises most people. These tiny little foods also carry something called fiber, and fiber is your secret weapon. Why? Because not only does fiber keep your digestion smooth and regular, it also helps control blood sugar, lowers cholesterol, and keeps you feeling full longer. That means fewer energy crashes during the day and better control over cravings. For seniors trying to stay healthy, strong, and independent, that combination is a huge win. And let's talk about affordability. Cans of beans, a bag of lentils, these are some of the cheapest protein sources you'll ever find at the store. You don't need to buy fancy supplements or expensive protein shakes. With a handful of lentils or a scoop of beans, you can get the same muscle-supporting benefits at a fraction of the cost. It's like having a hidden treasure sitting right on your pantry shelf. Here's another bonus. Lentils and beans are naturally rich in magnesium, potassium, and iron. Magnesium helps your muscles relax and recover. Potassium supports healthy blood pressure and protects your heart. And iron? That's what carries oxygen in your blood, helping your body stay energized and sharp. For anyone over 60, keeping your energy levels steady is priceless. It's what allows you to keep doing the things you love, whether that's gardening, walking with friends, or playing with your grandchildren. Now, you might be wondering, but how do I actually eat more beans and lentils without getting bored? The beauty of these foods is their versatility. You can cook lentils into a hearty soup, toss beans into a salad, blend them into a dip like hummus, or even mix them with rice for a complete protein-packed meal. And if cooking sounds like too much, guess what? Canned beans are just as powerful. Just give them a rinse to reduce the sodium, and you're ready to go. Another common worry is digestion. Some people avoid beans because they've heard they can cause gas or bloating. That can happen. But here's the trick. Start with small portions and rinse canned beans really well before eating. Over time, your digestive system actually adjusts, and you'll find that you can enjoy them without much discomfort. Plus, the benefits far outweigh that minor inconvenience. Here's something really motivating. Studies show that seniors who eat more legumes, like beans and lentils, tend to live longer, healthier lives. Think about that for a moment. By simply adding more of these affordable, plant-based proteins into your meals, you're not just feeding your body, you're actively increasing your chances of living stronger, healthier, and more independent years. And let's not overlook the emotional side of this. Food is more than just fuel. It's comfort, it's family, it's tradition. For many of us, beans and lentils remind us of home-cooked meals, warm kitchens, and shared laughter around the table. By making them a regular part of your diet, you're not only protecting your muscles and bones, you're also connecting back to those comforting memories, turning every meal into something nourishing for both your body and your soul. So here's the bottom line. Lentils and beans are proof that you don't need expensive, complicated foods to build muscle and stay strong after 60. All you need are these small, mighty, affordable legumes that quietly deliver powerful protein, energy-sustaining fiber, and vital minerals. Every spoonful is like a gentle but firm reminder to your body. You're not slowing down, you're powering up. The next time you're planning a meal, think of lentils and beans not as simple side dishes, but as the building blocks of your strength. Because for seniors who want to stay active, independent, and full of vitality, these little legumes might just be the best-kept secret on your plate. Number 3. Eggs. Now let's move on to one of the most classic, affordable, and powerful muscle-building foods you can eat. Eggs. Simple, right? But don't let their simplicity fool you. These little gems are absolute nutritional powerhouses, especially for anyone over 60 who wants to maintain strength, protect their health, and feel more energized each day. Here's the magic of eggs. They contain what nutritionists call a complete protein. That means every egg has all 9 essential amino acids, the exact building blocks your muscles need to repair, rebuild, and grow. After the age of 60, when muscle loss naturally starts to creep in, having a reliable, high-quality protein source like eggs can make all the difference. Think of eggs as the perfect construction crew for your body, showing up every morning to patch up, rebuild, and strengthen your muscles from the inside out. And the best part? They're incredibly affordable and accessible. You don't need a fancy protein shake or an expensive cut of steak to get your daily dose of muscle-supporting protein. For just a few cents per egg, you're giving your body premium quality nutrition. If you're living on a budget, eggs are one of the smartest choices you can make. But protein is just one part of the story. Eggs are also rich in vitamins and minerals that directly support your health as you age. For example, they contain vitamin B12, which is crucial for keeping your nerves and red blood cells healthy. Many seniors struggle with low B12 levels, which can cause fatigue or weakness, but eggs give you a natural boost. They're also a good source of selenium, a mineral that helps your immune system stay strong, and vitamin D, which supports healthy bones and prevents fractures. And let's not forget choline. This nutrient isn't talked about enough, but it plays a vital role in brain health and memory. As we get older, keeping our minds sharp is just as important as keeping our bodies strong. By eating eggs regularly, you're not just building muscles, you're also giving your brain the nutrients it needs to stay alert, focused, and resilient. Now, some people might be wondering, what about cholesterol? Aren't eggs bad for the heart? That's an old myth that has been debunked by modern research. For most healthy people, the cholesterol in eggs doesn't significantly raise blood cholesterol levels. In fact, eggs can actually improve your good cholesterol, which protects your heart. Of course, if your doctor has given you specific dietary restrictions, follow their advice. But for most seniors, eggs are not only safe, they're incredibly beneficial. One of the reasons eggs are so fantastic is how easy and versatile they are. You can boil them, scramble them, poach them, bake them into muffins, or whip up a quick omelet packed with veggies. In just a few minutes, you've got a protein-rich meal that's tasty, filling, and easy to digest. For seniors who might not want to spend a lot of time in the kitchen, this convenience is a blessing. Here's something else to think about. Eggs don't just build muscles, they help preserve independence. Every bite you take is giving your body the strength to keep moving with confidence, to carry your groceries without struggle, to climb the stairs without hesitation. That's the real reward, being able to enjoy life on your own terms, because your body has the strength to keep up. And here's a little tip for maximizing their benefits. Pair your eggs with other nutrient-rich foods. For example, cook an omelet with spinach and mushrooms for an extra dose of vitamins. Or enjoy hard-boiled eggs with a side of beans or whole-grain toast. This way, you're combining the muscle-building power of eggs with the energy and fiber from other healthy foods, creating a well-rounded meal that fuels your entire body. Another beautiful thing about eggs is their comfort factor. They're familiar, they're nourishing, and they carry a sense of home. For many of us, eggs remind us of Sunday breakfasts, family gatherings, or the smell of the kitchen in the morning. That comfort is important. It makes eating healthy not feel like a chore, but like a pleasure. And when you actually enjoy what you're eating, you're far more likely to stick with it. So let me encourage you. Don't underestimate the humble egg. This small, everyday food is doing big, important work for your body. Each egg you crack is like a promise to yourself, a promise of strength, energy, and vitality. For seniors who want to stay strong, keep their muscles healthy, and live with confidence, eggs are truly one of nature's simplest and most powerful gifts. Summary. So, here's the big takeaway. Building muscle and staying strong after 60 doesn't require expensive supplements or complicated diets. Sometimes it's the simplest, most affordable foods, like canned tuna or sardines, lentils and beans, and good old-fashioned eggs that give your body the exact fuel it needs. Each one is packed with high-quality protein, powerful nutrients, and the kind of everyday energy that keeps you moving, independent and confident. Remember, your age does not define your strength. Every meal is an opportunity to rebuild your muscles, protect your bones, and invest in your future health. Small changes, like adding one of these foods to your daily plate, can truly add up to big results over time. If this video inspired you, make sure to share it with a friend or loved one who could benefit from these simple, science-backed tips. And if you're ready to learn even more, stay tuned, because in our next video, I'll reveal another powerful food that not only boosts muscle strength, but also helps reverse dangerous inflammation that holds many seniors back. You won't want to miss it. Take care of yourself, stay strong, and I'll see you in the next one.